run mode. So like this, now what we'll do is I will just go through the navigation, interface navigation, which will understand you people. So what are all the features available and where it is available and what to do and what not to do, okay. Now, I'm just going back. I'm down to your web intelligence document. So, I'm going to use some universe concept here. Just click on OK. Okay. Now, single fuzzy fashion. So click on select. So you should be able to fill some data here. So select the required option. So this is the first page once you access any data source. So this page I call it as edit query panel. This page the very first page that you will be facing once you run the query is edit query panel. So what you are going to do, design and run queries. This is what you are going to do. The first part is edit query panel. Now what I have done is I just created one query. I just designed one query. So under this query, so what I am doing, again this is divided into three sections. One is result objects, query filters and data preview. So under results objects, you just keep placing your report objects which are required for your reporting. So that is what you will be doing here. Now, if you want to filter any data, now what you will do? Now I'll just run this. So whenever you run your report, it is moved to now on query panel, it goes to report panel. The final version of the report is displayed. But we go for query panel and report panel. That will make some sense. So, these are the two things that you have to keep in mind. One is report panel, one is query panel. Okay, fine. Now you have displayed some report. Now what you can do is, see a lot of options available here. Don't worry because we are going to look into each and every part of those things. Now, I'm going to say for example, use some folder here. Now while saving you see something called advanced option. Here we will see those options. See what are those options. Advanced. So you want to give some description. Say for example, this report is designed. Say for example, now any of your team have designed some reports and left the organization and you are out of office, say for example. Now whenever any new person opens this report, he should be able to see what is this report design and where. Based on universe. Which is e-fashion universe. Designed on. So you can set the dates part. So now report. Now I call it as navigation. So you want to open your, refresh your report whenever opens for any of the time when by default. So whenever you use this, what I suggest is, this is one of the options that can be used and cannot be used. If you ask me why you can and why you cannot. So cannot is refresh and open. So whenever you set this, your report performance will go down. Okay. Say for example you are working on sales report. It's basically pull, say for example 50k to 80k records. This type of reports, that is on this report you are working on regular basis. Say for example daily alternate days. Daily and alternate days. Now in this scenario what you will do, uncheck this option. Because you are working regularly and because a lot of data is available. So when you use, say for example, HR salaries report, say which is monthly or bi-monthly. So the frequency of using this report is very less, then you can go for check option. The problem is performance of your report will go down. That is the reason why you shouldn't, by default you shouldn't do this. Okay. So like this, permanent regional formatting. So whenever you set this, all the formatting will be set at one instant rather than changing at every instance times. Okay. That is about your advanced options for saving your report. Now just click on save. Now as I said, my report can be divided into two things. One is query panel, where I am going to design and run the queries, and second thing is report panel, where final version of report is displayed. Okay. Now, see, my job is, this is a lot of options. Instead of that, without that, now you design query, you run query, and the report is displayed. Now without that, I should modify my report query. Now what you should do, you should go back to your query panel. Right. Now see how to go back to your query panel. This is some data option here. When you will click on this data option, you see some edit option here. Okay. You see some edit option over here. So click on data and click on edit. It should be opening again the query panel or previous query panel. Now if you want to add further more objects, say for example any images, or if you want to add any products related information, now can you start it? Now again you can run your query. Okay. So this is how you will be navigating between query panel and report panel, where you are going to design the queries and you are going to run the reports or custom reports. Now see here, what is done, you have just modified query, run report query to populate the data. This is what we'll be doing here. Okay, next thing. Now, again I should go back, click on data, click on edit. You are back here. Because you have seen only results, now what you are doing is, you want to say for example filter some data based on year. So just drag and drop this year only. Okay. Now, you need to pass some values, some conditions here. Say I want to filter data where year value is equal to, or say for example not equal to, what? Some constant value. Say for example, if I know the values, or you are the end user, you know the values, what you are doing, you are going to run the query with some constant value. Okay. Okay. Report is ran, but you want data. So data is available under design option. Select with data. Got some. Now again, just click on edit. Okay. Now similarly, you have given some. So you can pass values to this parameter. So whatever the filter, right, we can pass this filter. Okay. There are different names for this. You can call it filter. You can call it prompt. You can call it parameter. Okay. You can call it as user selection. So you can call with the different names, but this is the exact thing, our official term from business object with this filter. Okay. Now, what I'm doing, see, I'm trying to run my, or I'm trying to configure my filter. You know, these are the different types of operator. Say for example, in list equal to, okay, both except matches, between, not between, less than, greater than, all those things, depending upon the filter type. We are going to pass this. And here I am going to use one more option, that is values from list. See, when I say values from list, what is happening? So prior to that, whenever I say constant, I have to manually type this. Constant is manual typing. Instead of that, now see here, say for example 2004. Yes. Now we ran a report, there is some data, right? Okay. Now, you have given constant of query filter. So there are lots of options, you have given constant as option. So constant is